Hey everybody and welcome to Get Set Ma. In this episode, we are going to be talking about the Love Lab Elite 4-in-1 electric steam sterilizer that is multi-purpose. And yes, multi-purpose here really does mean it does much more than just sterilizing. It thaws food, it heats milk, and even keeps it warm, and it also boils eggs. Remember to click to subscribe and turn on notifications. So this is the Love Lab Elite 4-in-1 electric steam sterilizer that promises to make life easier for us parents, as it saves time, it saves effort, and it saves energy, which we all need a lot of, because we all know that while life with a new baby is very rewarding, it is also very hectic. So let me give you a closer look at this sterilizer. This is its rust-free base in which you are to pour 100 milliliters of water. There is a measuring cup provided to help you with this. And on top of this, you place the main body of the sterilizer, which you can see is nice and big and spacious. And it can accommodate any large size objects to be sterilized. Now place this bottle holder within this space that can hold up to 6 regular size bottles, thus ensuring that clean bottles are always handy. And further, you can place another accessory tray on top of this, which can hold the smaller items like breast pump components, spoons, nipples, toys and teethers that can be sterilized, etc. Now we go ahead and fit this transparent lid on top that makes it easy to view everything inside. And we shall select mode 1 on this clear, digital, uncluttered display and sterilize everything in just 8 minutes. And you don't even have to sit around and keep looking at the clock, because it has a convenient auto shut-off feature that will alert you when it is done. Now remember, mode 1 is the option on which it sterilizes, and there are 5 total modes that this sterilizer functions at, and through this video we are going to talk about each of these. This was the basic sterilization method that is supposed to kill 99.9% of harmful germs and is a completely chemical-free process. And if you want the contents to remain sterile for up to 24 hours, you just need to leave this lid on. For a newborn, it is of utmost importance to sterilize milk storage and breast pump components, as any contamination can cause an infection. Now let's move on to the next 4 modes in this sterilizer to understand what they do. For instance, in this one mode, you can boil some eggs. And we all know boiled eggs are a very healthy snack for babies and us parents too. So all you need to do is fill water, place this egg container directly on the base with the eggs in it, and select the mode. Cover this with the smallest lid in the sterilizer components, and in a few minutes, your eggs are done. To heat milk, just place the milk bottle in this space. Remember to fill water in the plate, which is a given for any function in the sterilizer, and select mode 2 and let the milk heat up. It usually takes about 3 minutes, but you can adjust this time in the range of 1 to 6 minutes by pressing the buttons here. And this is something you can do with all the modes. They all have a default time setting that is different for each function, but if you would like to adjust it further, this sterilizer gives you the freedom to select a time within that range too. So probably you heated the milk and it was all good to go, but baby decided to sleep for a little while longer, and you never want to disturb a sleeping baby. So how do you keep the milk warm? This does that too. You place the bottle right here again, select the appropriate mode and temperature, and there you go. It will make sure the milk stays at an ideal temperature for your little one. This is useful as any caregiver just needs to pick the bottle and feed baby. Do remember to always check the temperature of the milk before offering it to your child. That's quite a lot of different and useful functionality, right? But we aren't done. There is one more mode that this sterilizer offers, that is steaming some food. And you can even use this to thaw some food. For this as well, you need the egg container, and you can place this on the base as we showed before. Take a few pieces of some thoroughly washed and chopped vegetables or fruits. We are going with some carrots here. Place these in a bowl and select mode 4. And there you go, some nice and healthy steamed carrots for baby. Over and above all of this, I also like some little things that they have added onto this product. This little measuring cup, for instance, is a big help. You don't need to be running around looking for a cup to measure 100 milliliters exactly. It comes with the product. A pair of tongs to carefully lift out a hot, sterilized bottle or any other thing. And additionally, remember that bottle holder we inserted inside the body of the sterilizer? It can even be used as a bottle drying rack. This is a product that is going to stick with you for a while. It doesn't have a short shelf life at all. For instance, when your baby is small, you use it to sterilize bottles and breast pump components. Use it to heat milk. As they grow older, it transforms into a tiny baby food maker, as you can steam vegetables for baby in it, make some steamed eggs for them and even for yourself. And to top all of this, it is also very easy to clean. The sheer versatility of this product with regard to the multiple uses and modes it offers really makes it a one-of-a-kind product in the market currently. We all know that small babies amass a large amount of things around in terms of baby gear, products, clothes. So if we as parents find one product that does the work of 4 to 5 products, it's a really great deal for the money spent and the space occupied. And the Lovelap Elite 4-in-1 electric steam sterilizer is a great example of such a product. It is so easy to use and offers so much more than a traditional sterilizer. That's all we have for you this time. You can go ahead and click on the link in the description below and find out more about this dynamic sterilizer and various more Lovelap products as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.